Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and install the middle spray arm in your Whirlpool dishwasher. Replacing the spray arm in your Whirlpool dishwasher is very easy. There's no special tools required. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. The main reason you may be looking at replacing your middle spray arm is the fact that it's probably clogged and it has some debris that's gotten into these holes. And a lot of times you can just push something through and clean them, but if it keeps coming back into the holes and you can't get it out, then you're going to have to replace the spray arm. So when it comes to replacing the middle spray arm on your Whirlpool dishwasher, it's very easy to do. First thing we're going to do is just open the door. We're going to bring that upper rack out so we can get at it. And on your spray arm, it has a collar where it connects to the tower. Simply by turning it clockwise, and it releases it from the tower, and we just slide that right off and take it out of the dishwasher. To reinstall it is just as easy. You're just going to bring it into place, slip it onto the tower, rotate it counterclockwise on the collar, and it's installed. Slide our rack back in, close our door, and it's just that easy to change the middle spray arm on your Whirlpool dishwasher.